Ready to treat yourself to some trendy SHEIN finds but only have a Visa debit gift card? No problem. I'm here to show you how to use your Visa debit gift card on SHEIN, making your shopping spree a breeze. First, browse the SHEIN app or website and add all those must-have items to your shopping cart. Go ahead. You deserve it. Once you're done shopping, click on your shopping cart icon to review your order. Make sure everything is correct sizes, colors, quantities, the works, then hit the checkout button. Now fill in your shipping address and choose your preferred shipping method. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any delivery hiccups. This is where the magic happens on the payment page. Select the credit or debit card option. Even though it's a gift card, you'll treat it like a regular debit card. Carefully enter the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code from the back of your Visa debit gift card. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. This is super important. Here's a key step. SHEIN requires a billing address. Use your billing address. This address must match the one associated with the zip code you entered when you activated the gift card. After entering your card details and your billing address, click on the Submit Order button. If everything goes through smoothly, you'll see an order confirmation page. Woohoo! If your payment gets declined, double-check that the card is activated and has sufficient funds. Remember to input your billing address and zip, and that you entered the details correctly. If problems persist, contact SHEIN customer support. They're there to help. And that's it. You're all set. Enjoy your new SHEIN goodies and happy shopping with your Visa debit gift card.